Hello everyone, this is Yuvraj Joshi and I will take your programming lab of Java, that is PCS 408. Getting started with the coding of Java, we need to take two steps. First one is to install and configure Java, that is JDK, and then we will move forward with the installation of Eclipse. So let us first get along with the installation of JDK and its configuration. For that you need to open your favorite web browser. I am opening Edge. You need to write google.com, search it, and there is your search engine. Write Oracle Java. Now you can see the first search string, that is Java Software Oracle India. Above that you can also find www.oracle.com, and then at the top right you can see download Java. Click on it, and then you can see on the screen there is Java SE15 and there is Oracle JDK. You need to click on JDK download. Now you are at the license update region. There you can see the section given for the Java SE Development Kit 15.0.1. There are many packages of Linux, Mac and Windows. Second last option is Windows 64-bit installer. It is of 159.69 MB, and in front of it you can find the download link. Click on it, and then I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Check the radio box. Download JDK 15.0.1 Windows 64 bin.exe. Now your JDK is downloading. Now installation has been done. Open it. Minimize this window. You can see the dialog box. Next. Now this is, you can see the path given for the JDK 15.0.1. You have to remember it. If you want to change it, you can change it by this change option. I will be doing it with this. Next. And now it is configuring. You can now close it. Now we have to go to where we have installed our JDK. Go to this PC, then Windows C, then program files, then go to Java, then you can see JDK 15.0.1, then go to bin. Now you have to keep remember this path because we have to create environment variable. For that you need to write on your start menu that environment variable. You can see that edit the system environment variable is visible. Click on it. You will get to a dialog box where you can see the advanced. Click on environment variable and see above one is for my PC, below one you need to find the variables, that is path. Click on it, double click on it, and then you can see the new dialog box, different environment variables. Click on new, go to the first screen, copy the path, new, edit, new, paste it here. Now click on OK. Now you can see the system variables have your path. that is program files Java JDK 15.0. Okay. Now for the future errors we need to set up a home directory. System variables, click on new, then at the variable name write Java underscore home. Variable value you have to copy and paste the path you have given, just delete bin from it, then OK, then OK. In this dialog box also you can see your Java home directory. Now click on OK and OK. Yes. Now we need to check if our JDK has been installed. You need to open CMD from the start menu. Right click on it, run as an administrator. I need to get bigger this screen. Yes, now write Java space hyphen version, press enter, and you will find the version, JDK version. Now we need to find for Java C, so write Java C hyphen version, press enter, and there you go. You can see your JDK has been successfully installed.